Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add mobile number to your Likee account. So if you want to add a mobile number to your Likee account, first of all you have to open up your Likee application. And after opening your Likee application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. And after tapping on the profile, tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, tap on account and then link account. And after tapping on link account, you can see the first option, phone. Just tap on phone and then tap on link phone. After doing that, it will ask you to enter your phone number. Just enter your phone number in the first blank, and after entering your phone number, tap on send code. So after tapping on send code, it will send you a verification code where you should enter in the second blank. And after entering your verification code, tap on done. And after tapping on done, you will successfully link your phone number with your Likee account. So this is how you link your phone number with your Likee account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.